In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of density by demonstrating a simple experiment. Let us get into the video. For doing the experiment, we need some water, an empty glass or any vessel, an egg, salt, and a spoon. First, let us fill the empty glass with water up to certain level. I'm going to put the egg into the water. See what happens? The egg sinks into the water and settles down at the bottom of the glass. Let's take the egg out of the glass. Again, I fill the same water into the glass. I add 3 spoons of salt into it. Let us mix it well. I have added more salt to make the water salinity higher. Let us put the same egg into the water. Look what happens now. Oh yeah, it's floating now. In pure water, the egg sinks, but in salt water, the egg floats. There is a physics behind it. It is density. Due to density variations, the two different things happened. So what is density? I explain you now. Density is the ratio of mass to volume for a material. We can define density as mass divided by volume. Density is a characteristic property of a substance. It tells about how matter is packed in a given volume. If the density is larger, more number of atoms and molecules are packed in a given volume. If the density is smaller, atoms and molecules are packed loosely. Solids are tightly packed than fluids. In the first demo, pure water's density is lower than egg, so it sinks. In the second demo, molecules of sodium chloride in table salt, when dissolved in pure water, it increased the density of water. So the egg, which has lower density than the water, floats. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can do the experiment at your home with the supervision of elders. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, share it, subscribe our channel, and enable the bell icon for future video notifications.